dkdynamics presents fingerprint-based security system.
Hello friends, how are you? I was thinking that you are enjoying your winter vacations, and friends, forgive me for not replying to YouTube and the Facebook comments because I am busy in preparing for my examinations. So friends, today I have come back with a new and an interesting project which will be helpful in your daily life. So friends, I have come back with a fingerprint based security system. So friends, as we all know that the security is the prime concern for all, the peoples use various security gadgets to prepare their property as well as their valuable things. But friends, as we all know that all the security systems have some loopholes in them which are used by the other peoples to break the security. So friends, the commonly used security systems are the RFID card and the electronic combination lock. And friends, the RFID cards can be cloned by the other person, whereas the electronic combination lock can be gained by using the hidden cameras. So friends, I was in the search of a security system which is more efficient and having the unique parameters. So friends, the biometric system is much more efficient. So friends, as we see nowadays, the biometric fingerprint system is used in the big industries as well as in the schools, colleges for the attendance and for the various other purposes. So friends, I developed a fingerprint based security system which is very simple and easy to make and is very efficient. And friends, this fingerprint based security system does not require any programming or any use of the microcontroller and can simultaneously store the fingerprints of the 8 people. So friends, now I am going to demonstrate you the fingerprint based security system. So friends, here is a fingerprint based security system. So friends, it consists of the 3 parts. Here is the microprocessor which stores the images of the fingerprints as well as processes the fingerprints. Here is a fingerprint scanner which scans for the fingerprints, and here is our timer circuit which is used for the delay. So friends, the timer circuit consists some of the very easily available components: relay, transistors, diodes, variable resistance, capacitors, and voltage regulator IC and a buzzer. And friends, this fingerprint based security system does not have any programming or microcontroller, and it is based on the fingerprint module. So friends, now I am going to demonstrate you the working of this fingerprint based security system. So friends, this microprocessor stores the images for the fingerprint. So friends, now I am going to store my fingerprint. Now friends, I am going to open the door of the house by using my fingerprint. And friends, you can see that the door of the house is open. Now friends, I am using this fingerprint, but this will not going to open the house, as you can see. So friends, again I am using this finger to open this door, and it opens again. So friends, instead of this house we can use the walls or a car's bike. So friends, this fingerprint based security system is very cheap, efficient and easy to make, and it has the following features. That is, it is a standalone fingerprint based security system. It does not require any programming or microcontroller, so it is very easy to make, and it can be used anywhere as it is compact and it's easy to install, and it uses the less power. So friends, this fingerprint based security system is made up of easily available components, and we can install it anywhere in our walls, houses, stores, and we can use this very easily. So friends, I think that you are going to make this security system for an engineering project as well as for a house, walls, cars and bikes. And if you have any query regarding this fingerprint based security system, you can mail us, and for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com and To buy this fingerprint based security system, you can go to our Facebook shop and can buy directly there. And friends, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our video, and for more new videos please subscribe us. I am coming back with some more new and fantastic videos. Thank you.